Hi friends, it's Suzanne here, a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Welcome to Cardember. This is a month-long creative series using holiday-themed products. I don't know about you, but I give out a lot of Christmas cards, and I thought that I would take you along with me as I attempt to use all the holiday-themed products that I purchased to meet the demand of my card giving season. Let's get into it. For today's card, I am featuring the Very Best Occasions stamp set. We actually gifted the attendees for the Lake House event with this stamp set because it does come with a punch. The punch is really cool. I like the sentiment. With a little more sparkle and a little less stress, let's make Christmas the very best. So I stamped that in Stays On ink because I get a beautiful impression, black line impression, when I use the Stays On with red rubber. So it's a delightful impression. You're going to get it crisp and clean and lovely, as you can see with this close-up. So what I have here is my Wink of Stella pen that I filled up with water probably once or twice. It still has a lot of sparkle to it, but I'm using it as a paintbrush because, you know, it's sparkly. And we love sparkle at Christmas. So this was the second largest stitched circle from the Stitched Shapes collection, die collection. And I had a whole bunch of the circles punched out because I had given a card kit to my team, and it actually, I had to like do 20, whatever, 7, 8 cards with a hole cut out of the center. So I'm utilizing some of the die cuts that I actually have made. So this is a basic white thick card base that is Bermuda Bay, one of my favorite blue colors. It's really close to the color of my car. I think my car is just a little bluer. Not so green. But anyway, I'm sort of putting this on Catty Wampus, and I didn't get the angle right correctly. What I'm doing here is sort of just creating like I don't even know what this is called. It's where you put the paper on sort of Catty Wampus, and it makes it look like there's a whole bunch of papers just strewn on that card base. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I'm going to be cutting it off, and the extras I'm going to use as a little extra smaller card. So I don't know about you, but sometimes I give a card with a gift, and the gift has to have like a name tag on it. So that's what I'm going to do with the leftovers here. So this paper is called the Storybook Gnomes. I'm pretty sure it's sold out, but if you have it in your possession, you will find these delightful trees. I love them. I saved them for the fact that I was going to do quite a few of these particular cards with a little gift tag. So I don't know why I find this so satisfying, but using my big scissors and giving the card a little haircut, total satisfaction for me. All my stress melts away when I can do this. So anyway, there it is. That's the card. I'm going to put some embellishments on there, but I'm just going to look at the leftovers and see what I actually have. The tree, I think I had to work it a little bit. I had to bring in another little piece. So this is a 6x3 piece of card scored at the middle at 3. So I have a 3x3, and it's just a little piece of a little card that is actually going to go on a gift. So it's going to matchy matchy. Don't you love that? It's so funny because I have so many necklaces and earrings that match because at one time I had, they were given to me as gifts, and it was lovely. I have a lot of matchy earrings and necklaces, and they're all beautiful. So it's kind of lovely to be able to do that with my cards. So they are matchy. Okay, so this was the little piece that I had to add in. I wanted the trees to look like trees. And I think the way that that little paper was cut was they didn't look like trees. Anyway, giving that a little haircut as well. And then I'm going to come in with a different sentiment, but from the same stamp set called Very Best Occasions. And it says, with comfort and love. So again, it's more of a gift-giving sentiment. So, and of course I used the StazOn ink, which gave me a delightful black line. And then I went in with some embellishments, and I can tell you right now what they're called. Red and green adhesive backed pearls. There's red and green and gold and silver. And I don't know, I don't think they're carrying over, I'm not sure. Didn't look when I created this card. I just needed to make some cards. So hopefully you have something in your stash that you can create this with. I have another example that I used with another designer series paper. Same thing though. It's the card and a little extra card on top of that, a gift card, name tag, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.